Hey guys, NaJae back here with another video. I know it's been a while, but I am back. I've been pretty busy. So this video will be about Young Living's promo month for the month of December. So let's just jump right into it, okay? So if you were to reach 190 PV, you would be getting 10 ER points for free, and that would save you $13.16. If you were to reach 190 PV, you would be getting a 15 milliliter bottle of Peace and Calming, 5 milliliter bottle of Christmas Spirit, and the 10 ER points, and that would save you $117.11. If you were to reach 250 PV, you would be able to get a 5 milliliter bottle of Myrrh, 15 milliliter bottle of Peace and Calming, a 5 milliliter bottle of Christmas Spirit, and then 10 ER points on top of that. So then you would be saving $152.31 if you were to reach 250 PV. The next one would be 300 PV, and that would get you a diffuser ornament, Egyptian gold, and that's a 5 milliliter bottle of that, and then a 5 milliliter bottle of Myrrh, 15 milliliter bottle of Peace and Calming, 5 milliliter bottle of Christmas Spirit, and then the 10 ER points, and you'd be saving $229.22. The next one would be 400 PV, and you would get a 15 milliliter bottle of Sacred Frankincense, and that's a really good grounding scent essential oil. So if you like essential oils that have grounding, that's a really good one. And then you can also add a few drops to your nighttime skincare routine. So, and then you would get the diffuser ornament. Then you would get the 5 milliliter bottle of Egyptian gold. And if you kind of are more of an outdoorsy person, you would an outdoors person, you would like that one because it has a woodsy scent to it. And then if you were, the next one would be a 5 milliliter bottle of Myrrh, and you can diffuse that with the Sacred Frankincense. And then you can also add a few drops to steamy bath for more of a calming aroma. So it's kind of like a spotlight bath time routine. The next one would be Peace and Calming, and if you've never tried Peace and Calming, I recommend that's one that I like having. It's really good. It's really good to diffuse during the holidays, and especially before bedtime. It's really good. You can add a few drops to your wrist, and just rub it in and smell it. You can inhale it, and then you can combine the that's a different one, but you can also add before bedtime, you can rub it to the bottom of your feet, and that would be really good. And then 6 would be the 5 milliliter bottle of Christmas Spirit, and you would diffuse that essential oil. And this is the one that if you kind of want to make if you're into DIYs, you can make a little air freshener with Christmas Spirit. If you were to combine 30 drops of oil with 2 cups of water in a glassberry bottle. So, and it also makes a really nice gift for some people who never really tried essential oils, or if they were iffy about it. That's a really good one to have. And then the last one would be the 10 ER points. So you'd be getting 6 items, products from Young Living for free on top of the 10 ER points. So it's a pretty good deal, and I like essential awards. If you don't really understand essential awards and want to sign up, or if you have any questions about Young Living essential oils itself, just leave me a comment down below, or you can always message me and I'll get right back to you. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.